What's good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about beat tags, so let's get right into it. So first things first, you need to say something or get someone else to say something cool or your name or something that has to do with you and your production. I got my homie Fopound to say this.
Ooh, Jay, this some old bullshit.
All right, so that's the dry version. I'm going to show you what effects you can put on it to make it sound better. I'm going to get rid of this extra stuff and I'm going to double click and route it to a mixer track. On that mixer track, I have a preset, so I'm just going to pull that up. All right, so you can tune this and put effects on it to however you like, but this is just what I got. So if you want to just copy this, you can. I just have an EQ that's taking out some of the lows, actually pretty much most of the lows up until the mids, and then a little bit of the highs. All right, and then we have reverb. You can pause the video and copy this if you want, or just tune the reverb how you like for the beat. And then we also have some delay. So I am using a third-party delay VST, but you can use Delay 3 in FL Studio as well. Just using a quarter delay, and it's on BPM instead of millisecond. And then we got another EQ that's just taking out some of the highs. But just those simple effects, EQ, reverb, delay, and then another EQ, it's going to sound like this. It'll be a little quiet, so let me normalize it.
Ooh, Jay, this some old bullshit.
All right, now let's hear this in context of a beat.
Jay, this some old bullshit.
So really, depending on the beat and how you use the tag, it can really enhance and add sauce to your drop. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit the little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Peace.